you, Markman. Unajua mimi nilikuwa Nairobi School. Sasa lazima niwaeleze. Your Excellency, let me just say a few things. First of all, I want to extend my condolences and that of my family to Mama Hannah Wendot Cheptumo and the entire family. It's a sorrowful moment, but it's also a moment of celebration for the good husband, good father that you knew and you'll always know and cherish. Your Excellency, there are some people in this world who suffer from, and there are many, they suffer from what you call intellectual insecurity. What do I mean by intellectual insecurity? There are people who are so worried, even if the bishop is talking to the neighbor, the man is so worried, he's going to ask the bishop, what was he telling you? Because he imagined the bishop is talking about him. And there are so many who suffer from this sense of insecurity. They always imagine that when other people talk, they are up to something against them. I want to tell you, Cheptumo was a very straightforward man who suffered no sense of insecurity. He was free, even if he sees somebody else talking to the other, even if you are his competitor. This man was forthright, he would not worry because he was focused. Nakwambia kuna watu hapa na kule nje katika ulimwengu wakiona hata rais akizungumza na mtu wanaanza kubabaika, wanafikiri sasa mambo yao yameisha. Cheptumo hakuwa hivyo. Very focused, very solid. The man was of extreme humility. And I want you to look at his autobiography, the eulogy, page 6. There are 3 paragraphs there. If you wanted to know Cheptumo, you will. Wanaeleza vile alifika Nairobi kwa university, ndio akaanza kuona mkate na mayai na hiyo mambo ingine sausages. Yeye alikuwa akitoka kwa hali ngumu, na asubuhi alikuwa naamkia ile ugali imelala. Hapa nimeona wameandika mukoriet. Huko Vihiga tunaita vugeni. Ile ugali imelala. So this man, from that difficult background, rising to where he rose, gives a very good example of what you can achieve with resilience, with perseverance, and with dedication, and with prayer. We salute him. And indeed, kwa hii milima ya Tugen, a lot of people with humility have emanated from here. We start with Moi. The person who spoke here on behalf of the family, General Tonje, a man of humility who has left a legacy in our security forces that surpasses the territory here. The Tonje rules and principles. And then we come to Cheptumo. These hills, as much as they are difficult, they also epitomize humility. Finally, Your Excellency, I came from Geneva the other day, and I have a letter from you, for you. I'll speak about the content that addresses me, but I was told by the person who gave it to me that they need your help. There's the Global Fund, which focuses on health. Globally, they raise, the last time they had about 18 billion in the kitty. They are now looking for a replenishment, just the way you led the replenishment of the World Bank, IDA 21 in Nairobi. The Global Fund CEO, Dr. Sands, has sent me with a letter saying they need your urgent help to mount a global appeal to raise money for health because the geopolitics has scattered international funding for health. They want you to mount the appeal, not just on behalf of Kenya, not on behalf of Africa, but on behalf of the very many who are suffering and who are going to suffer the consequences of the changing health problems katika ulimwengu health funding. I will give you the report and the letter. But why do I bring this up? I bring this up because lazima tujiulize sasa, was it a premonition? Or what was it? That Kenya, you were a step ahead of these things by introducing the universal health care and working on the program, which was initially vilified, castigated. But what is the lesson that we now learn? The world is telling us, you have to take care of your own sick. Don't wait for us. So the politics that we were playing because of health, let us cease, because now there's a global crisis. There's no freebies. Hakuna ile kitu ya bure bure. It is now serious. Let us pull together and figure out if there are any hiccups, how do we unite and sort and smoothen them? But the reality now is that there is no more money that can be doled around kugawagawa kwa mambo ya health kwa dunia hii. And sasa wazungu ndio wamenituma nirudi kwa Mwafrika. Mheshimiwa Ruto, rais wa Kenya, ashike ushukani, aanze campaign ya kutetea ulimwengu, pesa za afya zipatikane. Ladies and gentlemen, it is serious. Tusicheze. We can do politics with other things, but let us not do politics with the lives of our people. With those few remarks, as we bid farewell to our brother Cheptumo and wish his family well, I would request that the choir prepare for a good song so that I can invite the president to speak. And because we are in church, it is only best he be ushered in through the tradition of the church, through a choir. Nataka pia niseme, I have not gotten his name, but I'm told we also have PS for Lands, Nixon Korir. Where is he? He's from this county, is he here? Ah, thank you. Asante sana. Thank you. So choir, tafadhali, toa wimbo moja, tumwalike Mheshimiwa Rais, aje ahutubie waombolezaji.